Today we will talk about the Pandas library. Pandas is the fast, powerful, flexible, and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool built on top of the Python programming language. Also, Pandas provides an efficient implementation of the data frame class, multidimensional arrays with labels for rows and the columns, as well as with heterogeneous data types or missing data. As you know, NumPy gives us the rights to work with the arrays, but there is no adding or deleting the missing data. But in Pandas library, it's the series and the data frame objects is based on the NumPy library array structures. It provides efficient work on data cleaning. Here the standard format of the Pandas series, and also when we use Jupyter, it's more beautiful to visualize. Here, first step, we should check. First step, we should import the Pandas library in our Jupyter. First step, we for working with Pandas library, we need NumPy. That's why we are checking with the import NumPy version. First of all, we have NumPy or not. If you work in Anaconda, then you already have this NumPy and the Pandas, but it's worth to check. Then we should try to import Pandas and the Pandas version. Push the button run, and here it is. We have the Pandas with the version 2.11. And in Python, in a short we use command pd instead of the Pandas. That's why we will write import Pandas as pd. Yeah, and in our other steps we will use this pd command.